Shalom, my brothers and sisters. Shalom. I'm coming here today to talk about blizzards. Wintertime, extreme blizzard. I'm talking to Minnesota. There's a lot of blizzards in your neck of the woods, in your state. There's also a lot of blizzards over here in North and South Dakota. The Northwest Plains area get the most winter blizzards out of all 50 states. Especially in Minnesota. Talking about whiteout conditions, snow drifts, snow blocks. The wind blows so strong it blows the snow around and makes snow drifts, blocking the streets and the highways, and you can't get through there. You can't go to town. You can't go to work. You can't drive. It makes it difficult to get around. You have snow plow on your truck and vehicles and chains on the tires. So much snow piles up so quickly, and it's just white out. You can't see. There's no visibility. It's so white, and the wind's blowing so strong. A winter blizzard. You know what I'm talking about, Minnesota. You know what I'm talking about. It's best to be prepared for those things, right? Have plenty of clean drinking water, plenty of canned food stored up, an extra way to gain heat, an extra heat source in case the power goes out. You know, these trees get so much snow and ice built up on them, the tree just snaps onto the power lines and power's out. No power. No electricity. So you need to be prepared with a backup heat source, whether it's a wood stove, a kerosene heater, any kind of heat, propane heater, alternatives to heat sources. Okay, now you need a cooking stove, a camp cooking stove, some other way to cook other than electric stove. Cooking alternatives. Okay, now lights. Okay, lanterns, oil lamps, candles, flashlights. Okay, we need other ways to have lighting in our homes. And we want to have a parka, plenty of winter coats, winter gloves, scarves, winter attire. We want to be ready for that, right? We want to be prepared for these blizzard whiteout conditions. Because we don't know how long we're going to be cooped up in the house. Can't go anywhere. We're snowed in. We know what that's like, don't we, Minnesota? Let's be prepared up there in that great state of Minnesota, folks. It's better to be safe than sorry. Let's get ready for that winter season. Let's get stocked up, prepared. Shalom. Shalom.